Welcome to our culinary journey through the Middle East. Listen, you lot, if there's one thing I've learned from years in the kitchen, it's that good food transcends borders. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Arabian dishes you absolutely must try. Get ready to tantalize those taste buds because we're diving into a world of vibrant spices, rich flavors, and textures that will blow your bloody mind. Right. Let's kick things off with hummus. This isn't just a dip, it's a way of life. Creamy, nutty, and packed with flavor, hummus starts with chickpeas, blended to perfection with tahini, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a good whack of garlic. Don't think for a minute that hummus is just for dipping, you hear me? Spread it on sandwiches, dollop it on salads, or use it as a sauce for grilled meats. It's so versatile, even you lot can't mess it up. Hummus is a staple in the Middle East, and for good reason. It's bloody delicious, it's healthy, and it's the perfect start to any Arabian feast. Now, get that store-bought rubbish out of here. A proper hummus is made fresh, and you can taste the difference. Next up, we've got shawarma, the king of street food. Imagine succulent marinated meat, chicken or lamb, slowly rotating on a spit, its edges crisping to golden perfection. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. The meat is shaved off, piled high into a warm pita bread, and then the magic happens. You've got creamy tahini sauce, tangy pickles, fresh vegetables, and a sprinkle of herbs. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, and it's bloody brilliant. Listen, you can find shawarma on practically every street corner in the Middle East, and it's no wonder why. It's fast, affordable, and absolutely addictive. So, the next time you're craving a quick bite, skip that greasy burger and find yourself a proper shawarma. You won't regret it. Chapter 3. Falafel, a vegetarian delight. Now, for you lot who think vegetarian food is boring, I'm here to prove you dead wrong. Falafel, my friends, are little balls of flavor that pack a serious punch. We're talking about ground chickpeas or fava beans, seasoned to perfection with herbs and spices, then deep fried till they're golden brown and crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Tuck these beauties into a warm pita bread, load it up with fresh salad, drizzle over some tahini sauce, and you've got yourself a falafel masterpiece. It's a vegetarian dream, packed with protein and flavor. Even a carnivore like me can appreciate a bloody good falafel. Chapter 4. Kabsa, a celebration on a plate. Right, let's talk kabsa. This is more than just a dish. It's a celebration on a plate. We're talking fragrant basmati rice, cooked to fluffy perfection with tender meat, often chicken or lamb, and a symphony of spices. Think cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and saffron, all working their magic to create a dish that's fit for a king. You'll often find kabsa garnished with almonds, raisins, and even a boiled egg. It's all about abundance and flavor. Kabsa is traditionally served on a large platter, meant to be shared with family and friends. It's the heart of a celebration, bringing people together over a shared love of good food. So gather your loved ones, get your hands dirty, and dig into this Arabian classic. Chapter 5. Baklava, the sweet symphony. Finally, we come to the grand finale, the sweet symphony that is baklava. Layers upon layers of delicate phyllo pastry, brushed with butter and filled with a symphony of chopped nuts, pistachios, walnuts, almonds, you name it. Baked to golden perfection, and then drenched in a sweet syrup or honey, it's a dessert that's both rich and decadent. Each bite of baklava is an explosion of textures and flavors. You've got the crispy pastry, the crunchy nuts, and that sweet, sticky syrup, all coming together in perfect harmony. Baklava is a true testament to the artistry of Arabian cuisine. It's a dessert that's been enjoyed for centuries, and its popularity shows no sign of waning. So there you have it, you lot. My top 5 Arabian dishes that will have you booking a one-way ticket to the Middle East. Thanks for joining us on this delicious adventure. From the humble hummus to the majestic kabsa, Arabian cuisine is a testament to the power of flavor and tradition. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary explorations. We've got a whole world of flavors to uncover, and I'm not slowing down anytime soon. Which Arabian dish are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Until next time, happy eating.